Hello, welcome to the second instalment in our mini-series of demonstration and reviews of gardening tools and implements. Today we're going to be looking at loppers and shears, and we're very lucky to have been sent some more tools from Centurion Europe from the Anderson's range. So we're going to get down to the garden now and demonstrate these for you. Okay, so here we are down in the garden. First tools we're going to be looking at are these lopping shears. We've been sent two different types of lopping shears, but the first type we're looking at are these ones here. So these are an Anvil type lopping shear. Anvil type, if you see our other video on secateurs, we explain a bit in there, it's just like a blade hitting a chopping block. When you close the blades, real tough, strong lever action in there, and also with the Teflon coated blades which they've got, they're going to be really tough and durable, last you for a long time. Of course, the Teflon coating is anti-corrosive, so they're going to last for years, these things. They've got a lovely, comfortable, soft grip on the handle down here. Now, the next pair we're looking at are the Telescopic lopping shears, which are very similar to the lopping shears from Anderson's that we've just seen. These again have got this super Teflon coated blade and the soft grip handle, really comfortable. You could use these for a long time in the garden, but these are great. They're extendable here. Yeah, you just simply twist to unlock the handle and slide it down, and they extend from 27 inches up to 38 inches, so that really does give you that extra bit of height so you can get to those hard to reach branches above your head. So out of these lopping shears and these telescopic lopping shears we've been sent from Anderson's, if I had to choose one pair, I'd go myself with the telescopic lopping shears, because I've got these high up branches in the garden. I know I need to reach those routinely. If you don't have these high up branches, then the lopping shears are perfectly fine. And also, if you do have the high up branches, you don't want to be stood on something precarious trying to reach those, so the telescopic ones are the ones I'd go for. So the next tool I've got here are a pair of standard head shears. Again, we've been sent two pairs from Centurion Europe from the Anderson's range. We've got the deluxe straight shears and these standard head shears. They look very similar and they work very similar. They've got really soft, comfortable handle. They've got strong blades as well, corrosion resistant coating on them, and they've also got this tensioning knob. And what that does is it can reduce the friction between the two blades, so that if you've got thinner branches to cut, the less friction you've got in the blades there, it'll be easier to get through. And if you need a little bit more force, a little bit of help to get through the thicker branches, you tighten that up, and that'll really help you give some resistance as you're cutting through. With the deluxe set here, got a really nice straight blade. It's made from steel, and these blades are going to stay durable and robust for a very long time, and you get really sharp, consistent, neat cuts every time. And finally, here we've got some lawn edging shears, and these are great for trimming all the areas that your lawnmower tends to miss. So these lawn edging shears are a real comfortable size and weight, perfect for prolonged use, going around, cutting the whole edge of your lawn. It's not the most exciting job, but when you get to use this, oh, listen to that, why wouldn't you? So that was our little demonstration and review video of our loppers and shears. A big thanks to Centurion for sending these tools from their Anderson range for us. Stay tuned for other demonstration videos we've got coming up. And don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment in that box below. Let us know what you think. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.